those poor suckers are on a freeway.
Guys, like Hong Kong, guys.
8:58. First time I've ever been early for work. Several of daylight savings days, lousy farmers. To start, press any key. Where's the any key? I see ESC, Catal, and Big Up. There hasn't seemed to be any key. Phew. All this computer hacking is making me thirsty. I think I'll order a tab. Oh? No time for that now. The computer's starting. Check code temperature. Yes/no. Yes. Code temperature normal. That's too chubby. Vent radioactive gas. No. Venting prevents explosion. Oh, this is hard. Where's my tab? Okay then. Yes. Tank the stupid gas.
Oh no. The cord. Mrs. Green's gonna have my legs broke.
Vent radioactive gas. Why yes. Sound alertness horn. Why yes. Decalcify calcium ducts. Well. Give me a Y. Give me a hey. All I have to type is Y. Hey Mr. Eventually attractive sexually anymore. I just tripled my proto activity.
Good for you.
Why? Let's see, somebody's letting me to choose from. I'll pick Y. Why? What the heck are you doing over there? Get down. There? You're on the floor. Why?
I'm going out. I want errands during the day.
Could you pick me up lemonade and a beer?
What's your friend's job again?
He's a nuclear safety technician.
What's she doing with that broom?
What isn't he doing?
Słyszałem, że ten kogal ma własną konwersację.
Hey, leave my friend alone.
Hey, Homer. You promised Mom you wouldn't wear your dress outside.
Thanks to that. I'm going to the cinema.
Shouldn't you be working?
I've got someone to cover for me. One for honk, please.
Oh gee.
I'm going to work harder than ever before. My group are going to overweight people that are undisciplined, lazy and irresponsible. What happened to my bird? Swag. Home. Downtown BB. Explosion alert. Oh my god. The plant's gonna explode. Hey.